In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the proxy setup on Windows. Before we begin, a quick note on what we're doing and why. A proxy server acts as an intermediary between your device and the internet. Organizations might use one for security or to route traffic, and some personal users rely on proxies for specific network needs. Today's goal is simply to get you to the exact place in Windows where those proxy settings live, so you know where to review or update them if needed. Start by opening the Settings app on your Windows PC. You can do this by selecting the Start button and choosing the Settings icon, or by using the shortcut that opens Settings directly. Either way is fine. The key is to arrive at the main Settings window. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Network and Internet. This is where Windows groups everything related to Wi-Fi, Ethernet, airplane mode, VPN, and of course, proxy controls. Go ahead and click Network and Internet to open that category. Inside Network and Internet, you'll see a list of options on the left or in the main pane, depending on your Windows version. Find the one labeled Proxy and select it. This takes you to the dedicated proxy page, where Windows organizes both automatic and manual proxy configuration options. On the proxy page, look for the area that mentions Use a proxy server. This is typically part of the manual proxy setup section. You'll notice a small description explaining that a proxy can be used for Ethernet or Wi-Fi connections, and that these settings apply system-wide. This is helpful to know if you switch between networks, because the setting will follow you on that device. Right next to Use a proxy server, you should see a button labeled Setup. Click Setup. This opens the configuration panel, where you can review or prepare to adjust details, such as the server address and port number, and where you can decide whether the proxy should bypass certain websites or apply only on specific connections. We're not changing anything in this video, we're simply showing you how to reach this window safely and confidently. A few quick tips as you land here. If you're doing this for work or school, make sure you have the correct server details from your IT department before making any changes. If you manage your own network, keep your proxy information in a secure place and double-check each value before saving. And if you're troubleshooting connectivity, remember what you changed so you can revert it if needed. That's it. You've successfully navigated to the proxy setup in Windows. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need to follow along step